In Microsoft Excel, the default color of grid lines is light gray. Making the grid lines darker can enhance their visibility and help differentiate between cells more easily. Excel allows us to customize grid lines by adjusting their color and thickness. Go to the File tab and click Options. Click Advanced from the left pane. The contextual settings will appear on the right. Scroll down to the Display options for this worksheet section. Select the sheet. Change the gridline color to black. Press OK. Notice that the grid lines have become darker now. Note that this setting is limited to the current sheet and will not affect other sheets.